Totoo nga bang nag-i-invest ako? Well, it's true! Pero ang tanong, sa anong stocks ako naka-invest? Baka makatulong ito sa inyong decision making. Disclaimer lang, just remember to do your own research and of course assess kung gaano ka tumatanggap ng risk sa pag-i-invest. Let's talk about the stocks I currently invest in. Bakit ko pinili ang mga ito at kung ano ang potential returns na inaasahan ko. But remember, kahit gaano ko ka-love ang mga stocks na to, always do your own research. Investing in the stock market can be both rewarding and scary. Alam natin na nagbabago-bago ang presyo ng mga stocks, kaya minsan nakakatakot kung bumababa ang value ng puhunan mo. Pero you shouldn't be afraid if pinag-aralan mo ng mabuti ang mga companies na pinag-i-investan mo. Personally, I advocate blue chip stocks. Ito yung mga stable, nationally recognized companies na kahit anong mangyari, andyan pa rin sila. Yung tipong bago muna yung mundo bago sila magsasara. Sa video na to, I'll share the stocks I currently invest in, the logic behind my choices, at ang potential returns na inaasahan ko. First, let me classify them into three categories. Number 1, high dividend yield stocks. 2, REITs or real estate investment trusts. Number 3, undervalued blue chips. High dividend yield stocks. Quick side note lang, ang mga stocks na ito ay isa sa mga ini-investan ko for my own retirement purposes. Bakit? Kasi they not only give me a chance for capital appreciation, but they also provide regular dividends. Yung taon-taon may binibigay sa iyo. Kung gusto mo ng steady cash flow, these stocks are worth looking into. Semirara Mining and Power Corporation or SCC and DMCI Holdings or DMCI. Parehong magagandang dividend stocks ito. As of September 13, 2024, SCC is valued at 33.4 per share while DMCI is at 11.62 per share. Based on current prices and historical dividends, may return ka na pwedeng umabot ng mga 12% to 20% per annum. Diba nakakalamang ka na kagad sa bangko? Not bad, di ba? Pero syempre, subject pa rin yan sa market movement and performance of the businesses. Now, curious ka na bang mag-invest pero feeling mo ang hirap at ang komplikado niya? Or baka natatakot ka na baka mali ang gagawin mo? Yung parang gusto mong simulan pero sobrang daming information na hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula. Nakakatakot, di ba? Baka mawala ang pera mo at baka magkamali ka sa iyong desisyon. Don't worry, you're not alone. Marami ang nakaka-relate sa'yo. That's why I created this free webinar, Investing Made Simple. Para sa iyo ito, lalo na kung beginner ka. Dito, ipapaliwanag ko lahat ng basics ng investing in the simplest way possible. No need for complicated terms. Lahat ng concepts, easy to understand, step by step at may real-life examples pa. Hindi ito para pahirapan ka. Di ka bobombahin ng mga theories na di mo naman agad magagamit. Instead, ituturo ko sa iyo kung paano ka pwedeng magsimula mag-invest kahit maliit pa lang yan. Puhunan mo maybe 1,000. Papakita ko sa iyo kung paano pumili ng tamang investment, iwasan ang mga mistakes at simulan palaguin ang pera mo. At ang pinakamagandang part, this webinar is absolutely free. Just your time para sa future mo. Pero limited lang ang slots. Kaya better grab your spot habang may chance pa. Click the link below to register for Investing Made Simple. This could be your very first step towards financial freedom. Let me help you clear all that confusion. Don't miss this chance. Lalo na kung gusto mo matutunan ang investing ng madalian at diretsong explanation. Kita-kits on the webinar on October 12, Saturday, 10 a.m. Let's start your investment journey together, hassle-free. Other options include GMA7 and LT Group. Kung gusto mo ng mga high dividend yield stocks, consider these as well. REITs or real estate investment trusts. REITs naman are like investing in real estate. Pero instead na bumibili ka mismo ng mga properties, you're funding these big companies para sila ang mag-manage at magparenta ng mga properties na ito. Para sa akin, habol ko talaga dito yung regular cash flow. Better na meron kang steady income stream kesa yung pera mo nakatenga lang. Maraming options for these REITs and they usually range from 4% to 6% per annum depende sa kanyang market price. Ito ang suggestion ko. Just check M-REIT or Mega World REIT and V-REIT, yung Villar na REIT. Both of these are promising options. Their prices are still relatively low pero pwede kang makakuha ng annual yield na nasa 4 to 6% per annum. Hindi na masama, it's a great option if gusto mo ng steady cash flow without the hassle of managing properties yourself. Undervalued blue chips. Iilan lang mga blue chips na sinasabi kong undervalued. At subjective din ito kasi most blue chips will eventually do well. It's just a matter of when. Here are a few of my personal choices and I'm keeping an eye on them too. 4 conglomerates. I'm looking at GT Cap or GT Capital Holdings. Recently, nagsimula na itong gumalaw at currently priced below 700 pesos per share. Personally, I'm expecting this to go up around 900 pesos per share in the near future. I'm not saying hindi okay yung mga other conglomerates, but they're also good options. You just need to research well if they're going to go at the same track. Banks. MBT or Metrobank ang isa sa mga choices ko. Pero marami rin options dyan. Although nagkaroon na ito ng significant move upwards recently, I still see potential for it to reach around 85 to 87 pesos per share. For food and beverage, you can look into Figaro Coffee Group. Ang galing yung mga management dyan. Ito yung medyo under the radar pa, pero currently it's at 0.78 per share. Pwede mo pa itong maabutan. I expect it to rise around 1.15 to 1.2 per share. Given the growth of its business, there's definitely more to come from this particular stock. So there you have it. These are some of the stocks I personally invest in. Ipapakita ko lang din yung screenshot ng aking portfolio for today. Whether it's for your regular dividends, steady cash flow, or long-term capital appreciation, I always make sure to diversify them. Remember, hindi kailangan maging complicated ang pag-i-invest, but always do your own research para sigurado ka sa mga choices mo. If may tanong kayo or curious kayo about certain stocks, comment down below. Let's learn from each other. Don't forget to like and subscribe para sa mas maraming investment tips.